Assalamualaikum everyone. My name is Sarah Najim Khan. I'm the director of Softec Microsystems. Welcome to Elevate 2025 Day 2. I am joined with Ms. Sheherbano, who is the GM National Sales at HBL. So, Ms. Sheherbano, please tell us about yourself.
Thank you so much, Sarah, for inviting to this wonderful event and asking me to talk about myself. My name is Sheherbano, and I work for a reputable bank. But my banking experience is in together is 15 years, and I have worked for two largest bank. Previously, I worked for UBL and now HBL. Before that, I was in IT technology industry from the vendor side. 8 years I worked there. Few very good projects I have worked during that time. One of the biggest project I've done at that time was a city district government
Okay.
complaint management. So my overall experience used to be in technology, digital enablement, CX, transformation, IT, payment securities, and all of these things. But after 15 to 20 years, I worked in this. Then I thought to move to sales, and now I'm working as a sales person. This is 1.5 year journey of me, but I think this has enabled me to understand customers more better from their needs point of view. So earlier I used to be in the back end role, and these back end role used to be more creative, solution oriented. But here I hear the real customer, and maybe sometimes they don't even know what their needs are. So overall, it's like a great journey, and being female,
Yeah.
excelling in both
Yeah.
is alhamdulillah thing to aspire myself, and I encourage others that females can do everything.
Yeah, they can absolutely. So, why did you have a change of heart when you were in the IT field and you switched over to sales? So, what caused that?
That was not change of heart, that rather that's adding to my career. So for
Mm.
example, I was into things which were more operational
Mhm.
activities
Mhm.
and more of like creative
Mhm.
things,
Mhm.
but how to generate business. So for example,
Mhm.
to be a CEO, you need to know not only the back end job, the customer experience, but also you need to know how the business is generated.
Mhm.
So if I want to be a female entrepreneur or a
Mhm.
CEO in future for any
Mhm.
job role,
Mhm.
I need to understand how the business is, developed, how the sales is happening, how
Mhm.
the market operates, what
Mhm.
people needs. So, for
Mhm.
example, I had a very good project with government, that's
Mhm.
Roshan Digital. At that time, I realized that only designing will not work. Something you need to create,
Mhm.
and I had that entrepreneur skill, by the way, in
Mhm.
my heart previously. So people used to tell me that you
Yeah.
have a business acumen and a personality and you
Yeah.
can do that. So at the mid of my career, when I was at
Mhm.
peak and excelling my previous role, I could have been digital banking head.
Yeah.
But this change has helped me to understand myself well. And
Mhm.
Sarah, this is very important, that if you know yourself, you can do things better. So
Absolutely.
with that, I was like feeling like that I need to do more, and limited scope of job role
Mhm.
can dissolve your potential.
Yeah.
So what I wanted to explore more, and this sales
Absolutely.
jobs has helped me in few things. For example, I travel across Pakistan.
Mhm.
I met the SME businesses. I met the entrepreneurs. I
Mhm.
met student. I met females. All kind of segment of life,
Yeah.
and that made me understand people better. I was
Mhm.
able to manage people earlier, but I was not able to understand
Mhm.
the
Their
masses
sentiments.
and
Yeah.
sentiments, and then creating value for their life.
Right.
And I think sales is creating value for the people.
Absolutely.
So
Yeah.
that's why, that's addition to what I
Yeah.
was already doing, and I think it makes me happy because I'm doing things in a different
Yeah.
way.
So, could you tell me where is your industry headed towards?
So specifically, banking industry, I think it's always, this is the industry, the most trusted industry in
Mhm.
Pakistan, and I think this is very supportive to economy of the country
Mhm.
as well. You have seen that during COVID, this was the essential services
Absolutely.
government
Yeah.
has asked to keep open,
Mhm.
because this is part of people's life.
Mhm.
If you don't have money, you can't do anything.
Yeah.
I think this is transitioning digitalization. They have already adopted, but it will still take time to fully be digital. I think the industry will move towards being more open, like open banking,
Okay.
APIs, so that the collaborative and partnership with fintechs can happen. Otherwise, the scale for people who are not in the financial sector, for example, we have people who are not even in the financial sector. They are on a cash economy. They are not included. Women, rural,
Yeah.
small, medium
Businesses. Yeah.
businesses, they're not included in this financial agenda.
Yeah.
Or maybe they want, people want to add them, but they don't want, they are scared to be part of the financial
Yeah.
systems.
Yeah.
So I think the banking industry is going to be more open, in my personal opinion, and they will evolve. They will do more partnership and collaborations.
Right. So, what are the challenges that you're currently facing in today's day and age?
Personally, or
Uh, in your profession and in your industry.
I think the industry overall is very regulated, and regulated industry, it has its challenge that you have to stay in the regulation and then do things. But I think our regulators are very supportive. Pakistan's they want to do things for people. For example, the RAS initiative, the sandbox things which they have introduced State Bank, and they really want to you know focus on inclusivity agenda, the women inclusion in bank, not only jobs but into the businesses. So I see positive things now rather than challenges into that macro level. And professionally, I think the trust level on females and the trust on the non-conventional bankers. I was non-conventional banker
Absolutely. Yeah.
because I was from technology
Yeah.
and I was in sales from technology.
Huh.
So this like I was completely non-conventional every time. But since I was non-conventional, I used to think different. So I could bring change. And I think the industry, banking industry, needs to think different. Think from not the previously how they have success. Maybe banking industry was successful earlier for certain practices, but they need to see what's changing. For example, social media, freelancing, the new generation, Gen Z. So the things are changing. They have
Absolutely.
different habits, different behaviors. So industry has to look at different perspective to those things. And I think people, banks are looking. So banks are changing. But personally, I think I was always been into the futuristic things, and I've experimented and risk myself. The only challenge is that I think the trust on the female leaders and giving them bigger opportunity, like I was trusted, should be there because less females are there.
Yeah,
That's what
that is
the
true.
thing.
Anywhere you go, the ratio to men
So
to women
professionally, I
is,
think I would like to see more women's around me.
yeah, same.
I want to compete with them too.
Yeah, that is really something I look forward to as well. So, could you tell me how, since you changed into like you switched roles, how are you able to adjust into all of it?
The same question I was asked just after my panel session with
Yeah.
you guys. So see, it is very difficult to. You are a subject matter expert. You are known for it. You have branded for it. Everybody knows you. The CX specialist, the IT transformation expert. You are known as digital person. Entire technology industry. You don't even know the people in sales and retail, and specifically hardcore retail of the deposits and everything. So there I think I summarize it in three things. One, um I had to accept that I have to unlearn what I've already learned. So if I won't unlearn myself, how will I learn something new?
Yes,
I
absolutely.
need to create the capacity. That thing so I can't keep it take it everywhere. For
Right.
example, the people who are in retail distribution sales and sitting in the branches, what are they supposed to know about technology infrastructure or cloud? They don't need to know, and I don't need to tell them. I need to keep these things aside. I learn and then willing to learn from the people who knows better, even if they
Yeah.
are maybe they are not your level of grades, or maybe they're not age younger
Yeah.
than you maybe.
Yeah.
But when you're willing to unlearn and learn, then this is the first thing you change from inside. That's what I've done.
Yeah.
So in my change role change, what I did was, like, I thought everybody is my teacher in retail
Mhm.
and sales. Even a branch manager, a teller is my teacher. So I need to learn something from them,
Yeah.
and this helped me to understand what's different. Since I was good in learning, so this helped.
Yeah.
Number two, the second point was you need to accept there might be perceptions. Oh, she's not from sales, she will not be able to do
Yeah.
sales. Somebody say females are not in sales, खातून तो सेल में काम ही नहीं कर सकती, बाहर कैसे जाएंगी, ये
हाँ.
कैसे करेंगी, वो
Yeah.
कैसे करेंगी. These are all perception will come flooding to you,
Yeah.
and they may destroy your morale. So the best response
Mhm.
to this was stay quiet. Things
Yeah.
will change when I'm successful.
Yeah.
Or if I defend and I fail, then
Yeah.
it means then I have to double juggle.
Yeah. Yeah.
So stay quiet
Yeah.
and focus on what you're supposed to do or
Yeah.
you are here. So this was the second thing. And last thing was sales is game of numbers. So you need to understand the thing you are changing. What is the key driver of it
Mhm.
to make you look or make you feel successful or you make you successful. All three things. So there was a number. So if you have numbers,
Mhm.
you will be considered successful. So my first year in this role was to just focus on delivery
Mhm.
and delivery. And Alhamdulillah, I have achieved my target, not only achieve target, but excel the target. So the rest is gone.
That's
So
really
now
great to hear.
if I want to experiment
Mhm.
being non-conventional salesperson, I can, because I've proven that I can do the conventional thing and my innovation will bring value to it.
Absolutely.
And people are acceptable to those
Mhm.
responses now.
That is actually a very good point, that you have to break yourself down in order to rebuild yourself to whatever the new situation
Correct.
you are in.
Correct.
That is and we see this happening in our daily life, we just don't realize it because वो इतने groundbreaking level के ऊपर नहीं हो रहा होता.
Hmm.
What is a lesson that you would like to share with somebody who is just as ambitious as you, especially the women who are trying to find their place in the world, and they're doubtful, they're uncertain, okay, the world may be very harsh towards them. So what would you say to them?
See, believe in yourself. Everybody say believe in yourself. It's not the only thing you need to do.
Mhm.
Believe in yourself will give you courage to come out of your house and do something.
Mhm.
But you need to be ready and prepared for what's coming.
Mhm.
So how you are prepared? You don't know what's coming, so how you can be
Mhm.
prepared? You should be prepared for the worst. So I always used to fear कि ये हो जाएगा. तो then I have given my like psychological thinking to
Mhm.
myself कि worst क्या हो जाएगा? Am I going to die? Or somebody can gonna slap me. These two things can
हाँ,
happen.
सबसे
That's
बुरा
the
यही हो
worst, यही
सकता
हो
है.
सकता है. इससे
हाँ,
ज्यादा क्या हो सकता है?
हाँ,
कोई डांट देगा, ऊंची
हाँ.
आवाज में बात कर लेगा, तो इससे कम worst हुआ ना फिर,
हाँ.
right? And
It's
maybe
better than dying anyways.
so maybe I should prepare
Yeah.
for the worst, and then the small
Mm.
thing will not.
Mm.
And if you're out of the
Mhm.
house,
Mhm.
people are not your parents, people are not your siblings.
Mhm.
They will not be polite with you. If
Yeah.
somebody is polite, they're kind, God has gifted them, be thankful to them.
Yeah.
But the world is not polite, so don't even expect that this thing
Yeah.
will polite. There is outside there, everybody is competing.
Mhm.
Even your colleagues are competing, they may be trying to help you, but you can't expect a brother or sister kind of a response where they
Yes.
sacrifice themselves and do everything for you.
Mhm.
So the third thing was expectation. Don't keep expectation. And the fourth advice I would be, if you want to really succeed, keep learning. Don't stop learning. For this
Mhm.
even thing, the panel, I had to read 2 days because I didn't wanted to say things which were not authentic.
Yeah.
So every time you have to if you want to excel, you have to learn
Mhm.
from core of your heart with passion.
Mhm.
This is a painful process that you
Mhm.
have to learn in every age. ऐसा
Mhm.
कोई टाइम नहीं आएगा जब आप कहेंगे अब मुझे सीखना नहीं है, अब मुझे पढ़ना
हाँ,
नहीं
अब
है.
मैंने
ऐसा
सब
कोई टाइम नहीं
अब मेरा
आएगा
हो गया.
जिंदगी में.
हाँ.
It's like 24 years of
हाँ.
mine. There's not a day I don't have to
Mhm.
effort and push. ये हो गया fourth. And last important, be forgiving. If somebody, because corporate में I always say कोई दोस्त कोई दुश्मन नहीं होता. They are
Okay.
all colleagues. At one point in time, you may have a friction. At the other time, maybe they are your partners. So give space to people,
Mhm.
understand them, and be empathetic and be forgiving.
Grace देनी चाहिए उन्हें.
तो आपको लोग like भी
Mhm.
करेंगे because the
Yes.
people who are kind, who are more empathetic, इन अ शॉर्ट रन में हॉस्टाइल लोग हैं ना ज़्यादा सक्सेसफुल
हाँ।
लगते हैं, बट आई थिंक फॉर फीमेल आई विल एडवाइज be the mother nature, because it's
Mhm.
kind, more polite, more
Mhm.
humble, more
Mhm.
empathetic. Maybe your journey feel longer, but it
Mhm.
will be lasting. People will like you as a person, and once you are liked as a person,
Mhm.
then rest your mistakes can be
Yeah,
forgiven.
वो फिर आपके लिए स्मूथ सेलिंग हो
Smooth
जाती है
sailing
when
हो
you become a
जाती है,
likable
but if your
person.
personality is not liked,
Yeah.
then
Yeah, वो तो
male or
फिर
female,
वो तो
then
कोई भी
all
आपको,
gone, all
हाँ,
gone,
कोई भी नहीं
all
पसंद
gone.
करेगा
Yes.
आपको. चलो, Miss Shervano, it was a lovely session with you. I am completely in awe of you. This was so insightful. And I'm really inspired by your whole persona, your journey, and
Thank
आपका
you.
passion. Thank you so much for being
Thank you
here.
so much,
Thank you.
Sarah. Take
Thank you.
care.